Hello friends, welcome back to the Curious and Creative Mind channel. Please subscribe for updates and new video upload notifications. In this video, we will show you simulating steam engine train set. This train set is good for 5 years old kids. Okay, chalte hai, let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, so that's the nice looking engine. And ये passenger compartment है. And this one is the luggage compartment. And these are the tracks. ये हमारा train की tracks है. These are the decorative parts. Okay friends, चलते हैं, let's assemble the track. You can see the assembly and you can remember that it's exactly true style. बिल्कुल रेप्लिका है रियल रेल लाइन का. Okay, so let's open the battery slot. We are inserting two AA batteries. Let's close the battery slot lid. Put the engine on track. Now चलते हैं, let's join the compartments. Okay, so we are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's turn on the engine. Wow, it's so much fun to watch and hear the real sound.
The train goes
We hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.